Hey Facebook and YouTube, it's Jeffrey Howell's Carpet Cleaning here on a Sunday morning. We're doing ourselves some cleaning out here. Now what I'm doing today is I'm dedicating this video to Alan in New Bedford, Massachusetts. He's trying to rank his stuff up, or I'm trying to rank his stuff up online. Did a pretty good job with doing the Google Yelp combo, but I'm going to be nailing down some affordable carpet cleaning. Now I know a lot of guys out there, they cringe when they hear the word affordable because they think that it pertains to cheap, and that's the only thing that their mind thinks of when they hear the word. However, affordable has to do with quite a few more synonyms than that, such as reasonable and economical. And if you're saying that you're not a reasonable and economical carpet cleaner, then I really don't know what to say. Because, you know, being reasonable and economical is a main selling point on your marketing, and if you're not displaying that you are providing the best value to the customer, whether you're high-end or low-end or anywhere in between, that's what you're doing, is that you are having to sell yourself as being able to provide the best value whatsoever. So we're going to be coming in here and doing some very economical, reasonable, and affordable carpet cleaning. Today we have 3 rooms in here. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we're going to be doing. I like to call it 3-phase carpet cleaning. The first phase is to go through with a very good vacuum and get as much debris up out of the carpeting as possible. After that, moving on to phase 2 is actually done in 2 steps. We use the our sprayer, multi-sprayer here, to lay chemical down on the carpeting. And as you can see, our sprayer has a lot of peroxide residue on it. And what's funny about peroxide residue is that you can hose it down and wipe it off and it looks clean, but the peroxide is still on there. So unless you're using like a good cleaner to clean that peroxide off, all that nasty white is just going to come back. So, you know, I clean it, but you really need something to get that chemical off, so it needs a lot of times a lot more better cleaning than just wiping it down. But with that said, so that's not really dirty, it's just the product that we use. It's very green product, it's very eco-friendly. It's basically sodium carbonate with some additional peroxide added to it for the additional oxidization, brightening of the carpet fibers, as well as the natural deodorizing and sanitizing and all that good stuff that goes on there. It is extremely safe for small infants, pets, the environment, and everything else, because if you know anything about peroxide, it basically turns into oxygen and water and completely dissipates 100%. And baking soda is a household product that we've all grown up with and used as far as cleaning and refreshing and deodorizing and all that good stuff. So 2 very green products. However, this is considered, sodium carbonate is considered a cleaning grade baking soda, which isn't in the edible form, so it's not like cooking grade baking soda. It's more of a cleaning grade baking soda, and what that actually means I'm not sure exactly, but it is baking soda, so rest assured that it is green and safe and non-toxic. And what that happens in the 2 steps, we have part A, which is the application of the pre-spray, using that sprayer there to put down that chemical. Got 2 jugs today. These are 2-gallon jugs. I don't know if I'm going to use all of it, but I always bring more than I need just to be very well prepared. So this will go down, and then part B of that soil suspension process is going to be doing some agitation with that rake there. And what that rake there is, that provides agitation in the carpet fibers. So we're taking our cleaning solution and we are scrubbing it into the carpet fibers. And look at that, we have a visitor. Halloween's over. But anyways, and then finally phase 3, we go ahead and we fire up the truck, run our hoses in through the house, and give everything a nice steam out. So it is getting a very most thorough cleaning, the 3 processes that we're going to be doing in here. And one thing I wanted to point out with the professional carpet cleaning business You always want to treat the floors and treat the house with as much respect as you possibly can. So we put coverings down the floors. I mean, some guys, they've got some really nice neoprene rubber flooring mats that they put down, and ideally that's what I want, but you know, you get what you can when you can afford it, little by little. So the funny thing is, a lot of carpet cleaners are going out of business because they're not priced properly and they don't know how to run a business. So I get to come along behind them and pick up all of their used equipment that they have broken the bank for and get it at a very discounted price. So I was just talking to a guy the other night on Facebook about that, and it's like, hey, why not let somebody else take the hit for the new product and you get it at 50% off. Of course, it's used, but who cares if it's a year used? You're able to provide your customer with the same quality job at an affordable rate because you don't have debt. You haven't put yourself in debt, so you're not having to pass that overhead on to your customer to be making payments on a bunch of equipment. So anyways, additionally, we've got these nifty corner guards here. Guys, these are the best corner guards. These are the duck corner guards. A lot of them are, I believe, orange and yellow. These happen to be the black and gray because I like the color of them better. But they're very durable, they're very high quality, and what they do is they prevent your hoses and things from sawing away at the corners and chipping paint. So anywhere the hoses might be coming in, we're probably going to put one here at this corner here because the hoses are going to be running in through the door and making a turn here. And then additionally, when we're working in this room, we may need one here, we may not, but then when we're working down here on this other end, we're definitely going to be putting a corner guard there. And I believe we'll probably have enough slack on the hose that it's not going to hurt anything else. Well, it looks like we've got a straight run coming in from here, so nothing else is going to be affected. So what we're going to do now is we're going to begin with a good pre-vacuum and move right along. So on to phase one, you guys. Here we go. Okay, we got our truck fired up. Hose is running into the house, and we are ready to do a steam out. And the carpets have probably been dwelling for a few minutes, 15-20 minutes or so. We'll go ahead and give it the steam out, and then we're also going to rake out all the rooms using our grinding broom. It's not a grinding broom, it's some other brand. I don't know what it is. It does, it has a lot more bristles, a lot more brushes than a grinding broom. Even their one that they have for grooming area rugs, this one's a lot more heavier duty. So I don't even know what this thing is called, but it works really good. I really like the agitation that this thing draws. And you see there's quite a bit of debris in the carpets here. I try to brush all the fibers out after every job, but they do collect really fast. So we'll go ahead and give it a steam out here, and this is our third step of the process. And this, again, like I said, this is the steam out that neutralizes, sanitizes, and deodorizes everything, and it does a very good job.